In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and manage your bank feed views in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to fine-tune your skills, this guide will help simplify managing your transactions, ensuring your accounting process is as smooth as possible. First things first, it's time to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Open your preferred browser, perhaps Chrome for optimal performance, and sign into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Here you'll find a section labeled Banking. If this precise option isn't visible, don't worry, it might be listed under Transactions and then Banking. This is your launching point for all things related to bank transactions and feeds within QuickBooks. Now that you're in the Banking section, it's time to select the account you want to focus on. As you gaze toward the top of the page, you'll notice several tabs. Each one represents a bank account you've previously connected to QuickBooks. Take a moment to identify the correct account whose feed view you wish to change and click on its tab. This step ensures that any adjustments you make are applied to the right set of transactions, preventing any potential mix-ups with other accounts. Once you've chosen the account, it's time to dive into the different bank feed views. These views help you efficiently manage your transactions by organizing them into specific categories. Now glance above the list of transactions. You'll see a series of tabs or perhaps filters. These different views each serve a unique purpose. The first view is For Review. This area is where you'll find transactions waiting for your attention, ready for you to either categorize or match with existing records. It's a critical section to regularly check, ensuring that all transactions are properly accounted for in your books. Moving on, there's the Categorize view. Here, you'll see transactions that have already been reviewed and properly allocated to the right accounts. This view offers a sense of completion and helps confirm that your records are up to date and accurate. Finally, there's the Excluded view. This section includes any transactions you've opted to leave out of your financial records. Although not part of the active accounting records, it's beneficial to review these from time to time to ensure nothing important slips through the cracks. Switching between these views is as simple as a click. By selecting the tab that corresponds with your current task, you can effectively manage your transactions with minimal hassle, keeping your financials well organized and secure. Remember, regular checks of these views are crucial in maintaining an accurate and up-to-date financial picture. And that's it. Changing your bank feed views in QuickBooks Online is just that straightforward. By following these steps, you can confidently oversee your transactions and ensure your account is always in top shape. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.